Hi friends, welcome to the world of smart scripts, application software and useful website. I'm a Digician and I'm going to show you a complete social networking platform in this video, and you will be able to create your own social network using this script which we are going to overview in this video. So it is very important for those students who are covering their course using and creating any project and taking social network platform as their project work. And you can also create a professional website, social networking website, using this script. And we are going to overview WoWonder PHP social network platform script in this video, and it is a complete full-fledged social networking platform script. So you can create your own social network, of course, using this script, and we are going to overview the features so that you may understand what features are available and how actually you can proceed with these features. And once you create this social networking website, you will be able to have all these features. So you are going to be owner of the social networking platform, and it is just like Facebook or other social network. So it is very amazing that you can create your own social network, and we are going to check all the functions, overview all the functions, and almost all the functions. So it is not possible in this video only to understand all the features and how actually we can proceed with this. So if you need this script and you are liking this video, you may subscribe this channel, and you can get this script by following the link given in the description of this video, and the script is well available on the Code Canyon. So let us start understanding the features of WoWonder, and I will show you. First of all, this is the website telling about some features of WoWonder, that is official website, and it is highly customizable and super fast, high performance, and all such things are here. And of course we can check the admin panel, and this is the front end of, just like Facebook interface, this is the front end of social network page or user interface. You can say this is front end of user, and it has all the features that is available, that should be available on a social network platform. So like news feed is here, and you can select news feed option or people I follow option, and you can create album, create ad, create groups, create events. So it is about user, what user can do, and create page. Just like on Facebook we create page, we can create, user can create pages as well. So this is complete user interface, and there are many things like fundings can be here, so you can also raise funds here and for different purposes, and you can integrate payment gateways and chat facility as in social networks, search users, and you can create fund and all things, and chat. Like albums are here, save post, popular post, memories, pokes, my groups, my pages, blog, and market, and everything that you can see on the tab. So I'm not going to take much time on clicking on these navigations. All are available, and you can explore all things. I'm going to give a link of this demo and all such things. So in my view, what is this social network is available in this video. You can explore at your own as well, and you can take a wise decision about this. So I will show you the admin panel, which I consider is the main part. As an owner of this social network, you should understand all these things. So this is being the dashboard, and we will overview all these features. And this is the dashboard where every stat, all sort information is available, and you can also enable night mode or dark mode, or day mode is also available. It is very useful thing for social networks nowadays. So like how many users are here, total posts, total pages, total groups, and total messages, total games, and all such things, all stats will be available on this dashboard. Going further and proceeding next, we have options in settings. So we can enable or disable 3 modes. So we can keep our social network website either in WoWonder default, that is in Facebook mode, social network mode. We can keep it in LinkedIn jobs mode. If you want to create a social network platform for jobs like LinkedIn jobs, so you can enable this mode, and even you can enable the Instagram mode. It depends on you how you are going to use your social network. We are keeping this as Facebook mode, that is in website mode. And next is general configuration, where everything we have to configure like a administrator of this, owner of this website. So we can enable or disable the developer mode, maintenance mode, just in case if you are developing your website. And SEO friendly URL you can enable, disable. Developers API system welcome page for users, it is very important. Allow non-logged in users to view user profile on welcome page. And default language you can set, so there are many languages available. You can select your desired language, like basically English is here and all other languages are here, also here. You can set date format, user configuration, so you can show current active users on the home page and last seen status, just like on WhatsApp, so it can be shown here. User account deletion, profile background change, all users, and friend system, choose between follow and friend system. So it is very important setting for privacy setting for users. And connectivity system unit, how many users can be concurrently logged in the system. And user invite system, just in case if you want to allow users to create link for invitation and all. Other settings like censored words, you can keep words in CSV for censoring, I mean not allow words can be put here. Similarly, the notification and rest of settings for admins and users, like login limit, you can prevent bad login attempts, it is for security. Recaptcha is also for security. Account verification system, you can send account activation link after registration. If you want to enable this, you can do this, so it is very important. And two-factor auth is also here, so you can enhance the security. And again, password complexity, auto username on register, and user registration system. If you allow user registration, so user can be registered, users can register themselves from the front end. Otherwise, if you disable, you have to register all users at your own. So you can even use this script for internal network, just in case if you are working in a company and want to create a social network for within the company, you can use this. Or within the student groups, you can create this network, and everything in every manner that you want to use. Okay, so next is the website information, and here we can change the website title, like WoWonder is the default, and you can set it at Digician and all. So it is very simple, and you have to put all the information, website name, and you can say Digician, and okay, so website keywords you can set here, website description, and you can change the logo and Google Analytics, so just to check the stats and all such things. So Giphy images and GIF. Okay, so YouTube API key, Yandex API key, Google API key. So these are some important information and settings. File upload configuration, this is going to be another setting that you need to handle. So you can allow or disallow the file uploading, video uploading, because all such things are going to take space at your hosting, and you have to understand what features you are willing to give to your users, and similarly and accordingly you have to allow these files uploading or video uploading. These uploadings are going to take much space at your hosting. So file upload and sharing can be enabled, video uploading and sharing can be enabled or disabled. Audio, similarly audio and CSS, so upload and modification, it is important if you are creating technical group, so it can be important. MPG video converter setting is also here, so video can be converted in FPEG formats, and you can set all these parameters. And so storage and CDN, so as I said, and this is very important, and you have to take the storage and for a social network platform like a storage. And if you are willing to use the Amazon S3 storage, you can configure here, and again so Amazon S3 key and also. So if you are taking the hosting or the storage from Amazon S3, otherwise you can use the shared hosting as well, so that is not a problem. Depending upon the usage, you can take the hosting plan, and we are also having hosting. And if just in case if you want to have this complete social network installed at a hosting at your domain, we can do it for you. So just follow the link given in the description and let us know what actually you want. We are here to help you in every manner. We will set all the settings, and we will install the complete script for you on your hosting. That means the hosting being provided to you, so that will be installed you will get all the things installed there. Okay, so FTP settings again, so these are some technical settings, because if it is going to connect with the Amazon S3, similarly digital location, space configuration, and Google Cloud, if you want to use, you can configure here. So this is very important screen for hosting, setting hosting and connectivity. Next is email and SMS setup. So what features you want for verification of registration and also things like sending emails, notifications. So you can integrate email and SMS as well. So Twilio is the most popular SMS platform that is being used, and you can configure Twilio, bulk SMS, or InfoBip. So these three options are here. If you are willing to configure the SMS setups, and you have to put all the information of account like bulk SMS, username, password, Twilio account, and auth key, and all such information, so that the API integration can be done. Similarly, you have to do the SMTP host and all such settings for sending emails from the system. Next is chat, video and audio. So you can enable or disable chat system, message scene alert, or user typing system, and Agora API configuration. Agora video calls you can configure here. It is another great thing that you can provide to your users. And again, video calls, audio calls, and Twilio API configuration again is here. Social login settings. So if you want to provide your users social login, like it is very common to give users social login options, so that they need not registered again at your social network. If you are allowing for social login, you can allow them. They will be able to log in with Facebook or Google Plus login or Twitter login. So whatever you are providing, so you have to configure each and everything: Facebook configuration and Google Plus configuration, Twitter and LinkedIn, and whatever you are allowing here, you can do this. And WeChat configuration is also here, and so there are many platforms through which you can allow users to log in at your system. Next is Node.js setting. It is completely technical setting. If you are allowing the real-time messaging, you have to set these parameters, because it decreases the server load. So it is so since it is a social network, and we have set in the beginning, so a concurrent 5,000 users can be there on our hosting. So it depends what settings you are doing at your network. So it is very important to maintain the load of servers. So these Node.js configuration will help you in that regard. So you have to put these parameters. Again, post settings. So posts are very common in social networks, so you can do the post settings and all. So social share links, Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Telegram, and edit message you can handle here, and Vision API key. So delete the image, blur the image. So it is very important setting again. So to avoid the misuse of your system, adult image setting should be enabled. So it is very important because if you got clicked by the hosting service provider, and if users are misusing your system, it is going to be very critical for you, and you are going to be in trouble, just in case. So you have to take care all these things, because you are running a social network and you have to care each and everything, because people are connected, their privacy are connected, and you are going to be the administrator of everything, so you have to be very careful. So it is just an advice, all depends on you. So okay, so memory system and watermark overlay soundbox system allow users to create post out anonymously if you are using. So you can enable the soundbox and color post. Again, post approval system, if you want to moderators to approve each and every post, you can enable this option, just in case if you have started your social network new, it should be enabled, and you have to watch each activity, each post of users, it is very important. And popular post and comments should be enabled, and comment locations, feelings and poll system, and max allow character limit you can set here, news feed post, second post button and all. So this is very important setting. And manage colored posts, so just in case if you are allowing users to use manage color post, you can set the previews and also post reactions. Again, you have a very interactive thing that you can manage in the section. So what reaction you are allowing, like love, haha, wow, sad and angry, so you can add new reactions as well. So depending upon your social network nature, you can allow these reactions as well. So these are common reactions that are available in the common set in social network. And set up live streaming, just in case if you are willing to allow live streaming, users can go live instantly. So this is another big advantage of this social network system, this social network platform that is available. And live streaming storage is also available. So again, it is going to consume your hosting space, so this is why you have to connect the Amazon S3, just in case, or where you want to store all these live streaming and all. Okay, so next is manage features, and this complete setting is about your front end screen of users, and it is also equally important to set all parameters very carefully and wisely. So enable and disable features, so you can enable features like greeting system, poke, game system, page system, and all that is available on the user front end. You can enable or disable, so it is completely in your control. Like comments, how many comments and points the users are going to get in each comments, and wonders and reactions, so everything is in your control, and you can enable and disable these features. Again, application is another screen. So manage apps, so whatever apps you want to enable or keep, so you can handle here the testing apps and also things. So what is this? I'm not sure, but yes, this is available, you can explore. Again, pages, so so you have to control the applications that is available, and again you can control the pages as well. Whatever pages is active on the system, you can enable or control those pages as well. Whatever pages have been made by the users is totally in your control. You can take action, edit or delete, so you can edit the pages, just in case if any user has created this page and you want to edit this page, you can edit this, because it is very very important to have control on your social networking platform. So these are the pages. Similarly, groups are under your control. These are states of group, and you can edit and delete groups. Post, fundings, so you can again raise funding, so allow users to create funding request and earn donations. So this is very important screen if you are allowing this. So again, jobs functions, it is all about users interface and offers, articles, events. Now the store, so if you are allowing to sell, or if you are selling products on your social networking platform, this is the screen where you can handle the settings. So this is the store, and this is basic store settings. And a store system, you can enable or disable, review products and sales commission. So this is very important. Again, you can manage products and you can link products. So wherever you want, this is the product, and you can link products like what, and this is a product and buy now option is here, so you can offer product selling from your screen or any user screen. So this is very important thing that is available in this script. Similarly, you can manage the product orders that users are receiving, or order status you can check and change status and all such controls, and you can manage the product reviews. Next script is forums. You can manage forum sections. If user or admin has started any forum, manage threads, manage replies, create new section, create new forum, so it is on your control. Again, movies, so manage movies. If you are showing movies at your platform, you can add new movies and manage movies. Similarly, games options are available, so you can show games or add new games. Categories you can create, okay, so you can create page category, and you can create page category like cars, vehicle, comedy, economic category. So it depends what category you want to put at your social network. And page subcategories can be created, group categories, group subcategories, blog categories, product category, product subcategory, job category. Again, gift is next screen, so you can manage gifts and you can add or remove it. Custom fields are also here. Languages, as I shown in the beginning of this video, is in your control. You can add new key or language, and you can add a key and manage the available languages as well. So just in case if you are not using this language and only using English, you can delete all rest of language. Similarly, users, so you can manage all users whoever available at your system. Manage users, it is very important to handle the users at your screen. So if it is total numbers of users are 20,879, you can handle all users here, and you can take action about it, add followers, edit, delete post, delete articles. So you can control the every action, even when users delete notification, manage permissions. So you can do each and everything about the user. Like I am the user, like Sunoji is here, so admin can delete me as an user, and it's okay. So there are very these things are very important to manage users. And online users can be seen here. Similarly, manage user stories, and again user stories, manage verification requests, show information like summary and all such. So okay, so and so verification request can be verified or ignored here. Again, next is affiliate settings. If you want to keep affiliate system at your social network, and payment requests similarly, so you can handle these things. And manage genders, so you can keep 2 genders as in common. Similarly, payments and ads, so as I told you, you can have the payment option at your social network. So payments and ad configuration is here. Payment configuration, like you can keep the payment configuration, PayPal, Skrill, and custom method is also available just in case if you don't want to use the PayPal. And so you can use the description code, bank description code, and all such configuration can be done here. So public key, so PayPal is very common, and bank transfer can be used. And advertisement settings, so if you are showing advertisement currency, you can manage site advertisements, user advertisements, and bank receipts. Some pro systems are also here. If you are choosing the pro settings, pro options, so you are going to get this pro option, so pro system. And okay, so if you are offering this pro system like recurring payment, refund system, so this all can be set here. Next is design, so you can use the themes, WoWonder themes and Sunshine, and these 3 themes are available for user interface. site design you can change, and so it is in your control. Custom JSS. Next is tools, so you can manage much of things using these tools, like manage emails. You can use tools for managing emails. User invitation. Okay, so this is not loading, I don't know. Manage emails, user invitations, so it is not working. I'm just refreshing the page. User invitations, send email. Somehow it is not working, but yes, these functions are available, and blacklist, general, sitemap, and all. Pages is another setting, so manage custom pages, manage terms page, support API settings, updates, change logs. So these are all things that is available in the admin panel of WoWonder, and I'm just taking you back to the admin. Okay, so somehow the pages of admin panel are not loading as of now, but yes, I have shown you each and every information about the features and functionality available here on the WoWonder, and I believe you can create a very useful social networking platform using this WoWonder PHP script. And again, I'm telling you, if you want to have this installed at your domain, at your hosting, from us, you can ping us through the comment section of this video, and I'm going to add the link as well, so you can interact and we can start building a very okay. So it is now loading, and we can check the admin part of this admin area, and we have already seen API settings, tools are here, so we can check the emails, manage emails, user invitations. Okay, so manage emails is here where we are stuck, so you can control the emails and email platform, I mean email templates. Similarly, user invitations, you can search user invitation and even delete them. Send email option is here, so you can send an email from the system to any users. Announcement can be created here, and auto delete data can be set, so delete all inactive users. Auto friend, auto page like, auto group join. Fake user generator, just in case if you are willing to show users and not real users are available for registration, you can even create fake users just in case if you want to show the number, and you can manage the list as well. So mass notification, you can send all notification to all users in one go. And let us move to the next feature, blacklist, so you can blacklist the users and ban users, so or ban IPs as well. Generate sitemap, it is for promotion activities. Invitation codes, you can generate invitation code, and all backup SQL file. So this is very important screen, and where you need to take regular backup. If you are running the live system, you have to take regular backup as well. So this is the screen through which you can take backup since you are being the user, I mean admin of the site. And pages, so again you can control custom pages here, and you can create custom pages as well. Manage terms page. Reports, so reports is completely available here, and what has been reported, open post, and so you can manage the reports here and manage user reports. Similarly, next is API, and manage API server key, push notification settings. So if you want to activate the push notification, you have to use this function. And verify applications, so Android and all. So this is technical configuration. Third party script updates, if you are updating the system, this is being the update screen, and change logs, this is about the system. So current system is 4.1. so everything is here, and you can create a social network platform using this WoWonder, and I believe now I have shown you each and everything, and we can get in touch just in case if you are having any question. And we are basically interested in making your social network up and live, and we are here to help you. So you can hire us as a developer of your social network. So let us create a wonderful social network platform using WoWonder. So if you are new to this channel, so I will request you to subscribe this channel, because I am going to bring wonderful application softwares, scripts, useful websites, and smart worker tips. So everything is going to be here on this channel. So let us meet in our another video, and another Digicians are working on that, so I will come with next video. Thanks for watching.